Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can make your Facebook private. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, be sure to put your likes, and also write your comments under this video. And let us get started with you. Please open up the Facebook application. And then you will need to go to the menu section in the bottom right corner. Next, at the top, click on the gear. This will take you to the settings. In the settings under the Meta Account Center, you will find the Privacy Check option. Click on it. Here you will be able to see several windows. You'll need to select the orange one like this, where it says Who sees what you share. Click Continue. And there's a lot of options here that you can make private for yourself. These are things like your phone number, your email, for example. You can make just for yourself or just for your friends, depending on how much you want to make your Facebook account private. And there's also your date of birth, your hometown, where you went to school, and so on. All of this information you can edit it. Next, after you make the first page more private, click Next. On the next page, you can also choose, for example, who sees your stories, who sees your posts, and so on. You can also choose not to make them public, but, for example, only for your favorite friends or only for your friends. Click Next. And in the last step, you can block someone if you want that person to not see your Facebook account at all, for example. To do that, click right here, Add to Blocked, and enter the person's name, and then just click on it. After that, click Next and click Add Changes. This way, friends, you can make your Facebook more private because you can control absolutely all the information that Facebook sees about you. Friends, I really hope this video helped you. You saw how you can make your Facebook account private. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.